In this video, we're talking about eye injuries, and these are very, very common in children. Often when they're at the playground in the sandpit and somebody else throws a fistful of sand into their eyes, or maybe a sibling comes along and has a little poke, or a toy, anything really, they can often end up with either a foreign body in their eye or even a scratch to the eye itself. Now, especially when it's a foreign body in the eye, we need to flush the eye with lots and lots of water, and this can be incredibly difficult in a child. It is very, very hard to be able to pin down or restrain your child, hold their eye open, flush lots and lots of water through it. It can be really, really difficult, and it's really traumatizing for both the child and you. So if your child is not cooperating, if you are having too much difficulty being able to open their eye and flush that with water, you need to get medical help. So off to the GP or the hospital, they'll be able to help hold your child, open up the eye and flush that with water to try and get the object out. Even after, if you are successful flushing that out and the child is still complaining that there's something in there, then you need to get medical help. Transporting your child to see the doctor can be quite difficult when they've got something in their eye, because they really want to rub that, and rubbing it can make it so much worse, especially if they've got, a little piece of bark, a stick or sand. That rubbing action can scratch their eye quite badly, so we need to stop them doing it. If we put a pad over their eye, what can happen is that will cause pressure. So we need to put something on that's not pressing on the eye. If we get a paper or a styrofoam cup, we can cut that to make a little position to put on the eye, sticky tape, a bandage over the top to put it in position, and then off to get medical help. If you can't safely transport your child, if they're just going to rip that off and start rubbing their eye, then you're going to need to get help. You may need to call an ambulance.